What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find, buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. And I don't think I told you guys, but my last Subaru was totaled in an accident, so we just upgraded. Got myself, you know, I normally don't like to spend a lot of money on myself, but I decided why not. I got a beautiful Subaru Crosstrek. I love this thing. It is amazing. Let's head inside, see what we can find. All right, so we're inside looking at the media, and I messed up. I forgot to charge my cell phone before I came here. I charged up my camera, but not my cell phone. So it's kind of hard. I only have 5% battery, so I'm trying to go off of what I think is gonna be good. And maybe I'll have to take some gambles and we could take a look later. We got some Shrek for $2, gone. I showed this in my last video. People have been stealing video games here like crazy. I don't know why. What else do we have? And they're pretty cheap also. What? This was $2. This one's $1 for Madden. And I bet you that's still, yeah, of course, that's still in there. This is interesting right here. Ant-Boy, Revenge of the Red Fury. It's originally $2.99 at whatever store it was at. They're only asking $2. It could be worth it. We're gonna throw it in the cart. I did grab a couple other things. This actually ended up not really being worth much. I do like to look up concerts, live concerts and shows and things like that. This wasn't worth it. This, on the other hand, is worth a little bit. It's $5, but it does have 3 DVDs. 2 of them are still sealed. 1 is opened. It seems to be selling for about 15 or so on Amazon. So this is why I always like to have phone battery. Since I still have some, I did scan these in. This, A Raisin in the Sun. I threw this in the cart because I saw Sidney Poitier. I know he just recently died, maybe last year, and I've never seen this movie before, any thrifting anywhere. So I looked it up, it's selling for over $15, so that's good, we'll take that. Now this right here, the Foresight Saga, I always like to look up BBC things. It's a complete series. It's $5, but not too bad. Lots of discs in here. I figured this would be a home run no-brainer. No, it's only selling for about $9 to $10 on Amazon, so $5 is no good. So you never know. But you know what? That's something I will keep in my brain and remember that it's not worth that much. Now, if it was $1 or less, I would grab it. Oh, what did I put it next to? G.I. Jane? You know, I've never seen this. I might get this. Why not? All right, Demi Moore. Look at this neat thing. I think it's a heater. I can't tell. I see off, high, and low. It's warring. It does plug in. Maybe we'll grab it and see what happens. I think this might heat up. This looks really old school. I like the look of it. It's pretty clean. It's $8. Don't know if it's worth anything, but it's just so cool. Metal back. I don't know what this is. Let's go test it out, see what it is. So I had just put it in the cart and I turned and I saw this cool mug right here. It just looked really neat. And I noticed it says Grand Teton National Park, 1984. This is a really cool mug. It's only $1. I'm gonna stick it in the cart. It might be worth something. So I have it plugged in. I turned it on high. I tried low first and nothing was happening. I see something like spinning in there. I don't think you guys can see that. Maybe. Piece of metal spinning in there. It's making a sound. No heat. Nothing's warming up. We'll leave this plugged in for like a minute or so and see if anything happens. I still don't know what it is. I'm assuming it's a heater. So I had it plugged in for a while. Wasn't letting off any heat. Wasn't blowing anything. It just started to smell really bad. So I'm gonna unplug it because I don't think it works, whatever it is. So these Sony VCRs always sell pretty well for me. It's a shame there's no remote, but it does have the hardwired cord. It's $12. I'm noticing right now that the top is kind of dented, but I think if I put a screwdriver in there, it'll pop right back up. It's nothing too bad. We can plug it in and test it up, but take a look at this. I have 1% battery left. Here it is on Amazon. Used. $108 is the lowest. $400 is FBA, brand new, about $500, which is crazy. I think it would sell for around $150 to $200, especially if it had the remote. I don't like that it's dented up here. I'll try to test it out and see what I could do with it. $12 isn't terrible. The remote you could probably get on eBay for 15 to 20 bucks, so could be a decent buy. We'll test that out in a little bit. So I always love taking a look at the VHS tapes, and I found a few cool ones here. We got Ski Patrol, never seen it before, it's only $1. It's actually half off, blue's half off, so it's 50 cents. I'm gonna snag that. Blue is 50% off, I believe. I see a little blue 50% off way down there. We got Rugrats Thanksgiving, Scooby-Doo Blockbuster Cartoon Network Edition. I'm just grabbing things I've never seen before, and I was debating doing something. I see a bunch of these sing-along songs. Disney's sing-along songs are all $1 each, and I think if I grab a nice big lot of them, like I'm seeing them everywhere, I might be able to make a huge lot on eBay and get a few bucks a pop for them. I don't know, should I do that? I think I'm gonna do it because I feel like taking risks today. It's not too much of a risk, so let's see what we have here. We have Hunchback of Notre Dame, we have Snow White, those are cool, Little Mermaid, Mickey Mouse. Oh, this is, yeah, sing-along songs, okay. What's this, Aladdin? Now this is slightly different. This is kids' favorite songs, Sesame Street, but the tape is all ripped up, so we'll leave that. What else do we have up here? Beauty and the Beast. We have Lion King, that's cool. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day, right? My, oh my, what a wonderful day. So we'll snag these, we'll put these in the cart. Isn't that the guy from Song of the South, which you can't find anywhere? This might be worth some money on its own. Again, I can't look anything up, so I'm going off of just guessing right now. So I'm gonna see if I can find any more of those, and we'll just add them to the cart. So I'm still flipping through the very bottom of all these VHS tapes. I found this DVD, The Happening. If any of you have ever seen this, you know what I'm talking about, but for those that don't know, this is the only movie I've ever walked out of a movie theater while watching. It was that bad. This is one of the worst movies I've ever seen in my life. It's kind of funny that it's here. I've never seen that on DVD either. I don't think many people bought that. I doubt it's worth anything. We did end up finding a few more cool looking VHS tapes. I don't know if I'm actually gonna get them all or not, but I found a really old school My Little Pony. That might be something, I'm not sure. Definitely not gonna get these. We'll put those back. I found another Cartoon Network Scooby-Doo, pretty cool. I found this, it's like a compilation, a Disney Christmas gift. It looks really old, I've never seen this before. Does it have a year? It doesn't. But this is just something I've never seen, so we'll snag that. Another Cartoon Network thing I've never seen before, the Halloween tree. No idea what this is. That's why I'm grabbing it. It's from 1993 and 1996, so this is from 96. Pretty interesting. I snagged this Mary-Kate and Ashley, but I don't think that's anything. I'll put that back. And I found a whole bunch of these sing-alongs, like a lot of them, so I'll grab them all, and we'll have to look this up once my phone charges at the house. But I'm gonna take another look around the store and see what else we can find. Is this a bird cage? This is kind of crazy. Look at that. I think it is a bird. It's like a heavy-duty metal. This is, you could lock more than a bird in here. This thing's huge. It's so weird. So I'm in the toy aisle and I found a few things that I'm not 100% sure about. First things first is this lightsaber. I actually just sold a lightsaber, and look at this. It comes open pretty nicely, but the only issue is there's no Star Wars markings anywhere on here, but it's from 2005. It says Costume Company, so I'm assuming it's from like a Spirit Halloween. I don't know, but there is an on-off button. And there seems to be lights. The on-off doesn't do anything, so there's no batteries in it. Feels light. This might be worth something. I don't know. I might leave it behind just because I don't see any Star Wars branding on it. But maybe I'm leaving behind a gem. And then these, these are cool. These are giant Hulk hands. They're $5. And you put your hand inside. There's like a little handle in there. Let me grab it. And this also doesn't have batteries in it, so it won't turn on, but there's two of them, and I guess you bash them together, and there's a bunch of buttons. It's from Avengers, what is that? Just says Avenger Labs. I don't know how old these are. They might not even be worth more than, you know, 10, 15 bucks. But I think I'll snag these. Maybe I'll just snag this also. How much was this? $5. It is an electronic, both of these are. So if they don't work, I could always return them. So it might be worth it. You know what? I'll get them. And if they don't work, I could just return them. And yeah, so it's not too much of a risk, actually. Let's snag these.